see how the face tracking works. And what is going on, guys? Lloyd here, back again with another unboxing video slash a quick break from our Japan vlog videos that I've been posting. Well, I only posted like one right now, but I'll be posting in the next several weeks as well. It's a series, go check it out if you haven't. And also come subscribe. But before that though, if you're new to my channel, my name is Lloyd and I make tech videos, vlogs, reviews, first impressions, and all that stuff. Anyways, quick break from the Japan vlog, mainly because this is a good segue with the Japan vlog and also the upcoming vlogs that I'll be posting in the next several months or so, because we are heading back to Japan again in November 2024. And I figured to grab myself this little guy right now, which is the Osmo Pocket 3. Creator combo is what I got, simply because I was sold. I'm not really a fan of like pocket cameras, simply because I already have my iPhone 15 Pro Max right here. And my iPhone 15 Pro Max actually is the camera that I use for my vlogs in Japan last year. But after watching and reading so many reviews about the Osmo Pocket 3, I was like, I gotta get myself one. I think it's gonna be a great addition for our upcoming trip. And so here it is. So as I mentioned, I got the creator combo mainly because that is what a lot of the folks are just suggesting. It's just financially wise to get this than the non-creator, just the standard version. Simply because there's a lot of stuff that comes with the creator combo that if you don't get the standard version, you will end up spending way more money than you're supposed to. There's a lot of goodies in this box, and so I am excited. I am stoked to unbox it for you guys. Now I know there's a lot of reviews out there already, simply because this camera came out last year, October 2023. It is now 2024, September to be exact. And at the time this video was made, it's still very hyped up out there. There's still a lot of people, especially in Southeast Asia for some reason, they're still unboxing this camera and just are still very hyped getting this camera. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling now and go ahead with the unboxing. So I got my trusted Bear Grylls knife right here, just like all the videos that I've done for the unboxing and stuff like that. How do you even open this? I haven't unboxed any DJI gears in a while, guys, since like 2020. Back then I have the drone, and then I also had the gimbal, but now I got this one right here. So okay, so we got a silica gel, got the bag. Ooh, that is beefy. There's definitely stuff in the bag, guys. We got some manuals right here with stuff with QR codes. And what's in this box? Oh, okay, I thought it was the camera itself, but it looks like it's just the holder. Ooh, that feels really premium, guys. Like this bag, this pouch, I'm so glad it came with it. I'm so glad I got the creator combo. This is very nice, very convenient. Like my hand's pretty big-ish, but not that big, but yeah, it's pretty nice. So it's very convenient, very portable. So let's open it up, see what's inside this pouch. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, so you guys can see it right here. Close up to the little camera stuff, but also right here for you guys. So anyways, I'm gonna take it out. We have, oh wow, that is small. Holy cow, look how small that is. Let me get my iPhone 12 Pro Max right here real quick. Wow, that is, look at that, guys, that is small. So definitely, yeah, it's kind of discreet, but hey, this is just that though. So there's no like extra battery, no tripod stuff. Extension is, I guess, what you call it. Set that aside right here. There's a lot of wrappers. Right, it looks like we got the, I guess, extension or something like that. Not quite sure. It's got USB-C. You can put the tripod stuff here. Okay, so now, wait, what's the difference? Oh, I think this is the battery. So this is the extra battery. So this one is just like an extension. But this one is the one with the battery, a second battery basically. It's an external battery. This one already comes with the built-in battery inside. So it's like your phone, right? It's got the battery inside already, but if you connect this, apparently that's where an extra juice comes from. So that's pretty dope. Oh, okay. Wow. Wow, this is smaller than my Rode. That's pretty cool. So that's pretty unique. I really like the transparency of it. I mean, it's not so transparent, but here's what you guys can expect. That's pretty neat. A quick disclaimer, guys, this is just an unboxing, first impressions. There's no review here. I'll probably review that later on. But for now, you know, it's just a quick unboxing for you guys because I am an unboxing channel as well. But this is the tripod, not quite of a fan. It looks, it looks like a fan actually. But yeah, that's, you know, it's great for like handling it, but I feel like I'm gonna use my Ulanzi tripod more. So I set that here. Got ourselves some USB-C to USB-C, which is great. So check that out. Got ourselves the windscreen for the, so I guess you just place this like what, right here maybe? I don't know. There's a hole there. So, oh yeah, cool. Okay, what's in, oh, okay. This is the lens. So this is the wide angle lens. I can't put it in right now, but this is the wide angle lens apparently. Got more silica gel here. Oh, all right, so here is the magnet for the mic. So check that out, guys. Right here, just clip it on, I guess. Boom, magnetize it. Ah, it's pretty strong, wow. All right, I gotta test it out later on, but wow, this is great. All right, and also, yeah, the carrying pouch or carrying brick, whatever you call this, that's pretty cool. So I guess that's where you can put all this stuff. Last but not least is obviously the wrist strap right here. So that's pretty cool. All right, so here is what you guys will get in the box. So like I said, this is just a first quick impression, not a full review. And so, you know, I guess to turn it on, you just flip that. Oh, that is amazing. I'm gonna remove this screen thing first. All right, so it looks like I'll need to download the DJI Mimo app, just like with all the other devices that I got for the DJI. So I unfortunately removed it just because I haven't been using my drone / my gimbal. So yeah, I'll do that and just kind of go from there. Is it detecting me? Oh my gosh, yeah. I know I said I'm not gonna do a quick test, but I just gotta do it, guys. Like, I just finished setting it up and, you know, re-download the DJI Mimo, see how the face tracking works, and yeah, that is amazing. Very improved than the DJI OM4 gimbal right here when I was using it for my iPhone 12 Pro Max. This one right here, not the other one. This was like back in 2020, and I thought that was pretty revolutionary back then, but this is amazing. This is next level right here. It's actually improved. So yeah, I am impressed, guys. Let's see if it does the fast focus, the product showcase. Okay, I think it's focusing on my face right now. Let me turn that off. All right. Oh wow. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed. Anyways, this is just a, let me turn that back on. So yeah, like I said, this is just a first impression unboxing, not an in-depth review, guys. I'm gonna do that probably like in a couple months or so, early next year, when I get the chance to actually use this out in the field, specifically when we're in Japan and all that stuff. But for now, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Peace.